Hello and a very good morning, Asia. How are you doing today? Welcome to today's market updates. My name is Edmund. Today is a Wednesday, 27th of January 2021. So we had a relatively quiet Monday and Tuesday. However, if you are looking at the right places, we still managed to get about 130 pips movement for the UK pound yesterday. And on Monday itself, we still had about 17 US dollars movement up for gold prices and also another about 20 US dollars movement down during Monday evening. So, relatively quiet, but still plenty of opportunities available if we manage to spot the opportunities. So, let us have a look and see what is coming up for today, Wednesday, 27th of January. In terms of the economic calendar, we have some minor data coming out from Australia, the consumer price index numbers, quarterly consumer price index numbers, and also the National Australia Bank's business confidence data. Towards 3 p.m., we will be having the German consumer climate numbers, and at 5 p.m., again, this is minor economic data, the Credit Suisse economic expectations data, and towards the evening at 9:30 p.m., we will be having the core durable goods orders data coming out from the US, and last but not least, at 11:30 p.m., we will be having the crude oil inventories data. Not to forget, at 3 a.m. Early Thursday morning, the U.S. Federal Reserve FOMC policy will be announced at 3 a.m. later this morning, Thursday morning, and expectations are the rates will be maintained at zero point 0.0 to 0.25% without any major changes. Okay, so yesterday also, the International Monetary Fund projected that the U.S. economy to grow by 5.1% in the year 2021, and also China's economy to expand by 8.1% in this year. Okay, so the final region that they forecasted was for emerging and developing Asia, which is expected to grow by 8.3%, led by India. So looking at the US dollar index yesterday, the US dollar's major move for Tuesday was a bearish move all the way from sometime from 4 p.m. Yesterday afternoon Malaysia time all the way until late evening. Okay, so we can see that this was the major move. We're going to be looking at MT4 chart shortly to reflect this major move down. Okay, so a quick look at the UK pound. Again, with the US dollar weakening yesterday, the UK pound was mostly on a bullish mode, rising about 134 pips from 4 p.m. all the way until the evening sessions. Okay, gold prices yesterday was relatively quiet, mostly trading within I would say within the 13 US dollar range yesterday. And of course, US West Texas Instrument crude oil was pretty volatile. Okay, Dow Jones Industrial Average managed to have some decent recovery, but again found resistance at 31,104 levels before pushing back down again. Okay, so yeah. So again, a quick look at the economic calendar. So again, after tonight's events until 11:30 p.m., which is the crude oil inventories data, we will be having the FOMC meeting minutes early on Thursday morning at 3 a.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. Okay, so I guess today's events, of course, with the FOMC with monetary policy coming up tonight, expect the US dollar to be active today. So for yesterday, again, the US dollar initially strengthened in the Asian trading sessions from 90.27 all the way up to 90.58, and then after at about at about 4 p.m local Malaysia time, it weakens from 90.55 all the way down to 90.07. So it weakened from 4 p.m. all the way until 11 p.m. um, Malaysia time. Okay, so with the US dollar being bearish from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m., we can see that the UK pound has been bullish again from exactly the same time at about 10 plus 6, this is 1600 hours, 4 p.m. Okay, the UK pound strengthens from 1.3611 all the way to a high of 1.3744. Okay, so this was a 133 pip move up. Okay, so well, the UK, the euro dollar also managed to strengthen, okay, from 1.2110 all the way up to 1.2176, going up 65 pips. Okay, looking at the gold prices yesterday touched a high of 1,861 before moving down to find support levels again over here at 1,849, and then again it moved back up from 1849 at about 7 p.m. to a high of 1860, and then after again during the US trading sessions it weakened back down again. Okay, as of this morning at about 8 a.m. gold prices came down from 1851 all the way down to a low of 1843. Okay, so yeah, so looking at the US dollar index again on the 4-hour charts, we do see further room for the US dollar to weaken, possibly back down to 90.05 levels again on the downside. Okay, so or even further, um, tonight's FOMC monetary policy could see the US dollar testing back 89.30 levels if it breaks this current support at 18 at 90.01 levels. Okay, so having a quick look at crude oil prices. Crude oil prices also managed to trade within $52.22 and a high of $53.16. This was about a one US dollar range. Okay, so generally it is still trying to have some a short-term bullish run. Okay, but it's finding quite a strong resistance at $53.16 at the moment. Okay. So bear in mind, tonight we will have the crude oil inventories data at 11:30 p.m. So we could be expecting crude oil prices and also the Canadian dollar to be active for tonight. Okay. Okay. So last but not least, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, again finding support at 30,778 levels and also resistance at 31,100 levels. And well, mostly it was in a consolidative fashion for yesterday. Okay. Okay, Bitcoin prices also started to stabilize at the 31,284 levels and has been sideways ever since then. Okay, so we're going to watch out for how Bitcoin uh, reacts in the next few weeks to decide whether the recent spike up can be sustainable or not. But looking at it, currently it is on a downtrend. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so plenty of action is going to happen today. So watch out for price action and movements and volume, especially towards the US market sessions from 8 a.m. onwards, all the way until the FOMC projection policy at 3 a.m. Early Thursday morning. Okay, so hope you guys have a good day ahead, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next market updates. Thank you and good day.